Hello everyone, welcome back. I will show you a very short tutorial how to measure your Wiim device with REW wizard. First of all, we need REW wizard. You can get it from the links below. I'll show you basic tooling and later you can refine the workflow, but it will equip you well to equalize your Wiim device. Okay, so first of all, we need a file which we will play on our device. In this case, Wiim. So you go to generator, select save to file. I'll use left and right just for the sake of the demo. You can measure separately your left and right, and Wiim allows to EQ each channel separately. So I will save it to my desktop. Good. In the second step, we need to open our Wiim Home application. It's not as featureful as mobile application, but it will get us starting. So you click add folder, select desktop whenever you saved, and you have your file. Good. To measure your device, you need to click measure button, and this is where you drop your generated file. So in this case, we'll go to desktop and drop file which we just generated. You hit start button, and next what you do, you go to your Wiim Home and in your Wiim Home you click play. Excellent, we got measurements. So I'll use 1/6 smoothing. This one is no EQ. And you see, in my case, I know that on spectrogram this is a very strong room mode. This is room mode. 60 hertz is a room mode and 30 hertz is a room mode. So let's do a simple equalization. You keep generic setting as it is. This is full range speaker. I have some target curves, and you select what you like. 20 to 20 kilohertz, that's good enough. And then we select match. And yeah, those are filters which were calculated. You just need to type those filters with your mobile application into parametric equalization. I already did it. And let me enable equalization. And let's repeat the procedure. So you click measure, start, and play your tone. Good. 1/6. And you see with EQ it looks better. So just I did some cuts. One hump here. Just this one is there. And you can refine your Wiim as far as you want. Thank you for your attention. Signing out and enjoy the calibration process. Choose.